Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel at #Trotsky. Hope you're all having a great time and enjoying this wonderful weather. So I'm just tucked away in the garage at the moment. What it is just a bit of an update on my Analogue stroke now digital. I always said that this 10 foot by 6 foot Hornby layout, which I made about 4 years ago now, was always going to be Analogue. But something came up on Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace, a couple of weeks ago, which I couldn't really say no to. Actually, it was a plastic box, and all I saw in it was the Hornby Digital Select controller, and it had a little bit of track in there. So I thought, for the 20-mile drive, or 50 mile return trip, I thought I'll take the risk and we're going to have a look at it. So I just handed over the money when I got there, and he gave me a clear box with a bit of track in it and the controller, which I was quite happy with, no problems whatsoever. I knew I had a DCC ready Tornado at home, the Hornby Tornado, so that was fine. But when I got home, I couldn't believe it. What I had in the box was actually two locos in it, which were these ones. So if people recognise these are out of the Hornby digital mixed freight set. So they were absolute. I just couldn't believe it when they were in there, and it actually had a load of wagons, trucks as well that actually came with it. So I just messaged the guy and just said, "Look, is this right?" And he goes, "Oh yeah, it's fine, no problems at all." So that was brilliant. So yeah, I got a lot of track, load of trucks, and the two engines, digital engines. I put them straight on. Numbers 1 and 2 worked straight away. So I was absolutely chuffed. So I thought I'll just try this layout and put some digital. Now we've got 5. You can see, if you can count the trains, we've actually just got 5 trains running. But I've got 4 digital engines. But what I've got on here is I've just done one track, which is digital at the moment. One where you got the blue Pullman there, which is just going to be. I'll just bring that to a stand just in the station there, in the platform. So that's now digital. And the Tornado is digital, which I also have, which is just coming around now. So that was just a quick put an 8-pin chip in there. It's on the 67. The 8 chip pin straight in, and it worked like a dream straight away. So that was brilliant. Nearly had a catastrophe. Blue Pullman just decided to stop there. So now I've got just one of the tracks digital, and the rest are still analog. So I don't want to start adding more wires to it and stuff like that. But that's what I always seem to say. But yeah, the Tornado runs lovely, so smooth when they're in digital. Really happy with it. So now we've got 4 engines in digital mode, and the rest are still analog. So yeah, it was quite a find. I was really happy. So, and but yeah, just couldn't have been a better bag, and well worth the trip. Definitely makes it a bit more frantic when you've got 2 trains running on one line for sure. Got to keep an eye on everything. I hope you like my unedited video yet again. So yeah, just let's see what happens next. I don't know what to do. So that's all the DC locos hopefully I'm going to be getting. I'm not going to start getting into this big style again. I've already got into to the Fleischmann, going full tilt with that on digital. So I've got another little loco hopefully coming this week. So it's but yeah, all exciting, all keep everybody entertained, and that's what this little hobby is all about. Hope you all have a great weekend. Cheers for now. Cheers. Bye bye.